Do you believe in curses? If you say no, me neither. Nevertheless, my pickup truck has been experiencing an unbelievable amount of breakage. And yes, sure, it's 12 years old, very rusted, has 320,000 kilometers on speedometer, and definitely shows its age. Still, the amount of breakage is out of the moon. We're literally talking something breaking every single day for the past 2 weeks. I just did 2 repairs in the past 4 days and still have 6 to 7 more repairs to go, with most of the repairs being a crucial safety-related repairs, like a broken spring leaf, leaking brake line, or seized or leaking cylinder. Basically things that affect the safety of my vehicle. So it's not like I can plan it ahead and be like, okay, next month I'm getting a paycheck and I will take that money and buy parts. No, if I don't fix it right now, I pretty much don't have a truck. And I'm not complaining, I just feel overwhelmed with the amount of work I have to do and the amount of money some of those parts cost. Here's a prime example of what I'm talking about. Just 2 days ago, I've been replacing rotors and brake pads on my front wheels. And as I was already almost done and had to decompress the brake cylinder and started doing it, the thing broke down. So now I have to replace it. But if I'm being completely honest, my brake line is completely rusted out. And while I'm here, I might as well replace it too. So what should have been a single job that would take me 1 day, now turn it into 3 different jobs. And I'm still waiting for those parts. Right now, with all the repairs I have to do, I'm looking at around $3,000. And I'm lucky I am doing those repairs myself, because if I had to go to the dealership and for them to fix it, I would probably be looking 3 to 4 times higher. So I would be looking at $10,000 to $12,000. Now, for those who watch my channel for the first time, I'm located in Canada, so I'm talking Canadian dollar here. And sure, nowadays I work as a freelance software developer and I'm making a decent money doing it. Nevertheless, I realize that my truck has probably 1 to 2 years left in it. So any parts and any money that I pour in it feels almost like a waste. Right now the things I have to repair are a leaking brake line. I still have to replace all the brakes. Started doing it, but now waiting on the new parts. I also have to replace a spring leaf. And you can't just buy one, you have to buy the whole assembly. I also need to replace a rear shock absorbers, because mine are so old, they don't absorb nothing at all. Additionally, I need to replace the serpentine belt, belt tensioner and belt spinner. Those have around 170,000 kilometers on them and are way overdue. Same goes for my spark plugs and the spark wiring. Those also have about 170,000 kilometers on them. It's usually advised you replace them every 70 to 120,000 kilometers. And recently my battery started to die on me. It is 6 years old and pretty much reached the end of its life. Finally, there is also a rear right speed sensor that I have to replace. Oh, and almost forgot, my rear right wheel losing an air and need to be inflated before every single ride. I just replaced all 4 of them last year and I need to replace this one once again. But the reality, of course, is that some of those repairs should have been done a year ago. Things like replacing spark plugs, things like replacing a serpentine belt, things like replacing brakes. I could definitely have done them a year ago, but I didn't do them, and now they're in such critical condition that I basically can't drive my truck before fixing it. I also realized I should have never let my truck to rust. I should have taken it every single year and undercoated it. Because the problem with the rust, not only that it's ugly, because as the metal starts rusting, it will shift, it will break, it will chip, and it will often affect the wiring and the sensors that attach to it. So I have been experiencing a lot of electrical problems with my truck. Of course, nothing I can do about it right now, but you better be sure. My next truck I will undercoat every single year, and I will not let rust to take over it. I will, of course, fix everything I need to fix in this truck, and it will be good again. But for now, it sucks big time. And I'm sorry for my rant. It's not usually what I do on this channel. I guess I just so overwhelmed that I wanted to talk to somebody about it. By the way, if you like watching vehicle repairs video, make sure to subscribe, click like and leave a comment down below, because I have plenty of them coming up. Thank you for listening to me. Have a good day, and we will talk very soon again.